The year of the knee injuries continue, and this time it's with your Supercross winner, Cooper Webb, who sadly will not be racing the next few rounds, or at least it sounds like the rest of the rounds of motocross, posting on his Instagram today, saying, quote, "Bummed to share that I'll be missing the upcoming rounds of pro motocross. As you can see in the second photo, I caught my foot in a rut and pulled out of the second qualifier early at Redbud. I was in pain with my knee, but hopeful it was just a stinger and finished the day." This is the second photo that he posted on his Instagram. Continue to say, "The good news is damage isn't too bad. I'll go in for a quick procedure Monday and should be back on the bike in around a month. It was a personal goal of mine to make all 31 rounds this year, but shit happens. Appreciate everyone in my corner. I'll see you guys in Charlotte." Now, obviously, that's going to be for the SMX playoffs, which, if I'm correct here, he's first in the overall points for SMX. So this doesn't really affect too much for him. It sucks in general because, like I always say, you want the most guys racing, especially the factory guys, because it creates better competition. Obviously, he's kind of out of the championship in general for motocross, but it's still nice to have the big names, the factory guys out there racing. Otherwise, it's just kind of even more of a dead set that Jet's going to win. You never know. One of these guys could get a good hole shot and possibly possibly challenge him, maybe for a win. But overall, this kind of sucks. I mean, I like Cooper Webb. Obviously, motocross is really not his thing, let's be honest here, but as I'm looking at this, yeah, he sits first with Justin Cooper behind him, 14 points back, and Aaron Plessinger in third, 57 points back. So he's more than pointed in for or qualified for the SMX playoffs. It's just going to be a question of how fit is he going to be for it. You take a month off the bike, everyone else is going to be racing, race speed, race fitness, and who knows, I'm assuming if he's going to come back, he's going to be at competitive levels. He's not going to come back and be, I'm going to roll around in 20th, but it sucks for everybody who's going to any of the remaining rounds of motocross. You want to see the big names. You want to see the guys who are there on the factory bikes with all the sponsors, the ones that should be winning or, towards the podium kind of end of things, but sucks to see. I mean, this year is just a ton of injuries, a lot of knee injuries, bad ones. And I mean, at least it says this isn't too bad. It's just a small procedure, but who knows what it is. But at least he gave an update. I mean, you think this is 3 or 4 days? This is Wednesday as I'm recording this after the actual race. And I think he said that they're going to have a test on it on Monday. So 2 days later and you get an injury update from Webb. A lot better than Sexton. But comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you going to any of the remaining rounds? Are you bored of motocross because the championships are done? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.